Happy Sunday, assholes. Happy Mother's Day for all those who pushed out a fucking kid. So, today's fucking excitement is pissing rainy fucking day. Tuning the heads on a cassette deck. Alright? If you don't have the right equipment, don't even fucking attempt it. Okay? So, but it's kind of like tuning a guitar string. Okay, so you got your inputs, your outputs, right, left, all that fucking bullshit. If you're recording tapes on different cassette decks and playing them on other cassette decks, you have to align the heads to match. Okay? That's why this says Nakamichi. And this is a Pioneer. Alright? I record all my music on a Nakamichi cassette deck. So therefore you have to tune your decks to match. So that's what I'm doing right now. Alright? So that straight line means the heads are perfectly in line. If that line looked like a circle, then that would have meant it was out of adjustment. This means that the channels are even. Okay? And when you switch this, that's two channels on top of each other. It looks like one, but there's actually two. So, this deck is tuned. So all there is to do now is put a little bit of blue Loctite on that screw. Alright? And this deck is done. So that's what I'm doing today. Just tuning the Pioneer. And it's finished. So, y'all have a good Mother's Day. Try not to do anything fucking stupid. Party on.